Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to set up Webhook inside leadcapture.io. Leadcapture.io is a simple tool designed to help businesses easily collect and manage potential customers' information like leads from different sources like websites, landing page, and social media ads. It automates the process of capturing lead by integrating with various platforms, ensuring no potential customer splits through the crack. Once the lead information is captured, it is automatically organized to send to customer relationship management CRM systems or email marketing tools, making it easy for businesses to follow up nurture those leads. And in this video, we're going to learn how to set up Webhook inside leadcapture.io with Pabbly Connect. Okay? So as you can see, I've created a workflow in the name of how to set up Webhook inside leadcapture.io, and there are two windows in front of you. One over here says trigger, other says action. Trigger and action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two concepts. Over here, trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We are going to set up our trigger step, and for the trigger application, what we are going to do is we are going to select it as leadcapture.io. As in this video, we're going to learn how to set up Webhook inside leadcapture.io with Pabbly Connect. So that is how for the trigger application, I'm going to select it as leadcapture.io. Then for the trigger event, what I'm going to do is there is only one trigger event provided to us, that is new lead. I'm going to select this trigger event. With the help of this trigger event, whenever a new lead is going to be generated by any of my potential customers with the help of leadcapture.io, automatically with the help of the trigger event, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response of the new lead being generated. After selecting the trigger application and the event, you can see that Pabbly Connect has provided us with a Webhook URL. With the help of this unique Webhook URL, we are going to create a connection between leadcapture.io with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to copy this URL from here, okay? After that, we are going to follow the steps given here below in the help desk one by one in order to connect leadcapture.io to Pabbly Connect. It says log into your leadcapture.io account, click on the edit form for which you wish to set up the Webhook. Now click on the lead delivery option where you will see the option Pabbly for adding the Webhook URL. Paste the Webhook URL and save it there. Click on Capture Webhook Response button below and perform a test record to ensure that Webhook response is captured here. So now we're going to follow the steps given here below one by one, okay? Log into your leadcapture.io account. As you can see that I've already logged into my leadcapture.io account, and over here in the lead form, you can see this is the form that I've created that I want to connect to Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to open this form from here. As I've opened the form, you can see over here the option edit form is given to us. We are going to go to that option. After coming to this option, on the panel of the left side, click on the delivery lead button. As you're going to go to the lead delivery button, from the given options, if I'm going to scroll down, you can see Pabbly is provided to us. I'm going to click on this arrow. As I'm going to click on the arrow, you can see that over here it is asking for the URL. In place of the URL field, I'm going to paste the Webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us. As I've done that, I'm going to scroll up and click on the Save Changes button right over here. As it says lead information has been changed, this form has now been updated. As the changes are been saved of this form, I'm going to go back to my workflow and scroll down. You can see it is saying waiting for Webhook response. So now what we are going to do is we are going to run a test to check whether leadcapture.io is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not. And how we're going to run a test? By doing the form submission that I've created with the help of leadcapture.io. So now I'm going to do the test form submission with the help of the form that I've created using leadcapture.io. I'm going to open the form that I've created. So this is the test form that I've created with the help of leadcapture.io, and I'm going to do the test submission of this form right over here. It is asking for the details of my lead. So over here, I'm going to write the full name as smart user. Okay. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as smartuser@pabblytudes.com, and for the phone number over here, I'm going to write in a dummy mobile number. It is asking for a reason. I'm going to write a test right over here just for doing the test, okay? Then I'm going to click on the submit button. It says thanks, we'll follow up soon. This means the form submission has now been done. As the form submission is done, now I'm going to open my workflow and I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect has captured the response of the dummy form submission that we have done right now or not. For that, I'm going to open my workflow that I've created. I'm going to scroll down, and yes, you can see right over here Pabbly Connect has captured the response. Let us tally the response. For the location, it comes as Bhopal, India. Lead form name as contact form, as you can see right over here with the form ID. For the phone number, I've received a dummy mobile number. Over here for the name as smart user. For the message over here as test, email as smartuser@pabblytudes.com with date and the time and the country as India, and with all the other details. So this means that leadcapture.io is now successfully connected to Pabbly Connect, and this is how you set up Webhook inside leadcapture.io. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment on if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video.
Not just with these applications, you can create automation with the help of Pabbly Connect between multiple applications. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask your queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding the pricing of Pabbly Connect, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video, and thank you for watching.